Avila meditation session. We're going to start our session today. I will going to ask you to sit comfortable. Find your meditation seated position and start paying attention to your breathing. I'm going to ask you to breathe in deep through the nose, retain for 3 seconds, and exhale deeply through the mouth. We're going to do this for 3 cycles more. Cycle. Just raise some awareness with the feeling and the sensation of the air coming through your nostrils and flowing through your body, through your cells, bringing a sensation of calm, peace, and stillness. Now you can breathe normally again, and let's start raising an intention for our today meditation. Let's focus on our mindfulness and the need of being in the present moment. Focusing on our environment, the sounds around us, the air, the lights, and let's try to imagine a very calm place where you feel comfortable. It can be a beach, it can be a field, it can be a forest. And imagine a calm and warm light coming through your feet, your legs, your sitting bones, your tummy, your navel, your heart, your throat, the muscles of your face, your mind, your head. Try to focus on that light, warm and calm through all your body, and feel the peace that light brings into you. Imagine a breeze in the place where you are. That breezes through all your body, bringing also with that light a peaceful sensation in the present moment. Don't lose the focus of your breathing and the sensation that the air through all your body and all your cells brings into you. Feel the peace in your heart. Feel the calm in this present moment. Don't worry if it came some other thoughts to your mind. It's completely normal. Don't judge, just let them come. And they will go naturally. Now imagine an orange light coming through your head. Flowing through your muscles of your face, your throat, your heart, your tummy, your sitting bones, your legs, your feet, feel that calm sensation that orange light brings to yourself. Imagine now that light embrace you in a warm and long hug. That you give to yourself. Being grateful for this moment that you take to yourself. For your well-being. Be mindful to your present. To what you have around you, your friends, your family, your work. And be grateful for all that. Be grateful especially for dedicating this time to you. To have this feeling of calm, peacefully to your mind and your heart. Now I'm going to ask you again to raise awareness to your breathing. Imagine now that orange light, warm, energetic, coming through your feet, and you start moving your feet, your legs, your arms, your neck. You may stretch yourself if you feel the need, or you can give a warm hug to yourself. allowing yourself to stretch and release any tension that you may have. And being grateful to have this mindful moment for yourself. I am thankful for sharing this moment with you. Thank you. Namaste.